Okay, I've got the latest Poco X3. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Let's see how it looks like inside. I just cut the bottom. Okay, so it's all yellow, Poco. Somehow I'm wondering why did I get this first, because after that Xiaomi came out with the Xiaomi 10 Ultra, right? Yeah, but well, I'm currently using a Pocophone to record, and the Pocophone that I'm using is the F1 version, which is the first version, and it's been doing such a wonderful job. So all the videos that you've been watching me edit, it has been done and recorded using the Poco F1, which is why I trust the Pocophone enough to purchase the X3. So let's take a look how it looks like inside. Okay. Okay. And you have the phone there, and what's inside here, if it's what Pocophone gave me, it would probably be the same. It could be the, or it should be the, before I open it fully, right, it should be the silicone cover for the phone. So let's take a look, opening it up. First thing you see here, what's this? Oh, that is the pin for your SIM card. Okay, and then what's inside here is, yes, quite right there, you go, the silicone cover for the phone, as well as the user manual. Okay, silicone cover for the phone, nicely wrapped and packed. Okay, and you got the user manuals here, the user guide in all the languages that you can probably understand, I guess. Okay, so, and it comes with a warranty card as well. Okay, I bought this locally. Now, I actually bought this Poco X3 during the Lazada 99 sale. Okay, so it actually got delivered to me when I was in Indonesia. So there you go. Okay, and the phone is out. I got the cobalt blue phone. Okay, the Poco X3. Alright, looks quite decent. It's quite nice. Now let's take a look at what else is inside here. Should have the charger, right? Yes, and there you go. Now, oh, this is a much bigger charger as compared to the Pocophone X1. Okay. Now the battery for the Poco X3 is 5160 watts, 560 mAh. Okay, it's a fast type battery, and the charger is 33 watts fast charge. So it's going to be a really powerful phone. From what I read, it can charge to 100% in, well, in a really short time. Okay, I'm going to test it out later on. It comes with the cable as well. So I'm gonna use this cable to charge this phone, okay, in a while. Okay, so let's take this covers off first. Okay, just careful there. Nice and easy. Oh yes, it's beautifully wrapped. Looks like a sushi or kueh lapis or something like that, you know. Oh my god, the color is so beautiful here. You can see that. I love it. I love it. It's shining. Woo. Okay, I'm just gonna try and switch it on now. Okay, I think the on button's here. Let's try that. Oh, nope. So it's probably here. Oh yes, there you go. Okay, so the phone is loading. It's quite nice. Okay, initially I didn't want to get this phone, but then, well, my phone, the Poco F1, has been with me for quite some time. Okay, and I needed to ensure that whatever applications that I'm using for work especially is up to date. So that's why I decided I needed to get this. Okay, so here's the setup. Is using the MIUI 12. Okay, yes. United States, no. I'm English, so let's go with United Kingdom. Okay, region Singapore. It starts there. The first thing they ask you to do, connect to a network. So I'm actually in a hotel, so I'm gonna, oh, but I can't use the hotel network, otherwise one of my devices is gonna get locked out. But well, I'll do that later then. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip this first. Skip. Okay, so you come to the user agreement. Yes. I'm not sure, does any one of you actually read user agreements from the phone? Okay, they asked to insert the SIM card. Well, I don't have my SIM card still in my old phone, so I'm gonna do that later on. So I'm just gonna skip next whether I can or not. And Google services. So then it comes down to all the Google services from then on. So I'm gonna fix all that up first, but otherwise that's what you get. And let's try to put on the cover, the silicone cover that came with it. Oh yes, oh look at that, it's quite beautiful, right? We're gonna need something to cover the back here nicely. Oh, it's a good fit actually. It's a really nice fit here. Just to get it all in. There you go, nicely covered everywhere. So you can see it covers even the top part here. It's a real secure seal to the phone, keeps it protected. I actually like it. Okay, so that's it guys. Poco X3.